During the Hyundai Getaway Sales Event, the deals are so good at Conicelli Hyundai it almost feels wrong. But trust me, these savings are 100% real. Right now at Conicelli, we have low down payment leases starting at just $95 a month. Our drive home today with a zero down and no first payment, our sign and drive options start at just $305 a month. Whether you're looking for gas, hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or electric, Conicelli Hyundai and Conshohocken has it. Need an SUV with next level tech and safety? Check out the Tucson available in gas, hybrid, or hybrid plug-in. Want luxury with third row heated seats? The Palisade has you covered. Prefer something bold and stylish? The Elantra is the perfect fit. Or go all electric with the breakthrough IONIQ 5. No matter which Hyundai you choose, you get America's best warranty and 3 years of complimentary maintenance included. So don't wait. These deals won't last. Stop in and visit Conicelli Hyundai at 1208 Ridge Pike in Conshohocken and check out our brand new state-of-the-art showroom. Or start shopping our full inventory online where we have over 400 new Hyundais available for sale. The Hyundai Getaway Sales Event is happening right now, so get here before these deals are gone. See you soon at Conicelli Hyundai, a nice place to do business.